Hi guys, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. Happy New Year, guys. So if this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and please, if you know that you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to support me by hitting the red subscribe button down below. And if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be dropping a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always watching my video. Thank you guys for all the support, for all the likes, for all the negative and positive comments. Thank you guys so much. For those of you that patronized me throughout the year, I want to say I really appreciate you all, and I really appreciate. I thank you guys, and may God continue to bless you all for me. May God continue to keep you guys alive, and may God continue to provide for you all. I really appreciate you guys. If there's any way I can, appreciate you all more than this, I would have done so, but this is the best way I can appreciate you all, by saying thank you. Okay, I really appreciate you all so much from the depth of my heart. Thank you all for the support, for always watching my video, for the like, and for those of you that always compliment me, for those of you that send me message on WhatsApp, appreciating me for all the videos, most of the video I've uploaded. I just want to say I really appreciate you guys so much. May God bless you all for me. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about White Secret lotion and Caro white lotion. So this is a requested video from few of my subscribers, so I'm going to be talking about these two lotions and telling you guys the good and the bad side of these two lotions. So you might want to keep on watching this video. Okay, so the first product I will be talking about is White Secret lotion. So I did review about this lotion, I think about 1 year ago. I talked about this lotion, and there are some few things I said on that video that I wish I did not say or whatever. So White Secret lotion is not a bad or a good product. I'll start from there, and I'm going to be telling you guys the good side and the bad side. Okay, so the only good thing I see in this product is that it whitens very fast, and that is not a good thing. And I know most of you will say, oh, that is what I want product that will work within 7 days. So White Secret lotion is not the type of product you will use continuously. It's not the type of product you will want to use for like a year or 1 year, 2 years, even a month, because these products work very fast in terms of whitening the skin. And this lotion is the type of lotion that will give you stretch mark. If you give you green vein, it's so certain that this lotion will definitely give you green vein, stretch mark, discoloration, and blemishes. And another thing I know about this lotion is that when you use this lotion, your skin is not going to be even. Some part of your body is going to be fairer than the other part of your body. So this particular lotion is not really a good lotion, honestly speaking, and the oil is a little bit okay. But another thing that I have noticed, that I've seen, is that White Secret lotion contains a very high amount of hydroquinone and some other skin actives that are not suitable for the skin, especially when using it for a very long time. Okay, and it's advisable that product that contains hydroquinone has to be used for like 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you give a break of 2 weeks, then you continue again. But with this type of lotion, within 1 week your skin is already white. Okay, it's already white, and I don't know how to describe how this lotion work on the skin, but the best way I can describe it is what I'm telling you guys right now. So if you are planning to use White Secret lotion, no from me, I will advise you should not use White Secret lotion. It's not the type of product that I would personally recommend for anybody, because it's not good. And I also want you guys to know that whitening lotions that work within 3 days, 7 days, that whitens the skin within 7 days, not even that starts working on, that whitens the skin within 7 days, they are no good for the skin. They might tend to give skin cancer. If you guys don't know, you have to do research about whitening products. So when using whitening products, you have to be very careful and very conscious. So don't just have that intention of using products you want to have a very sharp result, a very quick result within 7 days. No, that is not what I would advise anybody to do. If you want to whiten your skin, it's a gradual process. You don't just do it within 1 week or even a month. You have to get a very good product that work gradually on the skin. It's a gradual process. Your skin Is your skin. See, it's just a skin. You have to be very, very careful so you won't get sunburn, stretch mark, or ending up destroying your skin. Okay, so that is it for white secret lotion. And the second lotion I want to talk about is Caro white lotion. So now Caro white lotion is one of the lotion that is not really bad if you know how to use Caro white lotion. Why am I saying this? I used Caro white lotion for more than a year. I think way back 2016 or so. I used Caro white lotion for more than a year, and it was very, very good on my skin. I wasn't white, I wasn't even fair as I am right now. It was very, very good on my skin. I didn't abuse it, I didn't missy or anything. I was just using the lotion just the way it is. Okay, so if you want to use Caro white lotion, I will advise you don't mix with tube, you don't mix with gel or oils. If you are mixing Caro white lotion with Caro white tube, Caro white oil, Caro white gel, you will end up having stretch mark. No cap, that's just the truth. You will end up having stretch mark, you will end up having green vein. Okay, so there's no way I will tell you that you should use some certain ingredient or some certain serums to mix Caro white lotion with all of these things I just mentioned so that it won't give you green vein. There is no way. It will definitely give you green vein because it's just going to be too harsh on your skin. Okay, Caro white lotion is not a bad product, but though it contains hydroquinone, okay, which everyone knows, but if you want to use Caro white lotion, do not abuse it, do not use it for a very, very long time. As at that time that I was using it, I didn't even know what hydroquinone was. I was just using the lotion for using sake. Okay, and it was really good on my skin. There was nothing like me giving break for like 1 week or 2 weeks and I start using it again. No, I was using it continuously. The only thing I was doing at that time, I was using it at night. I wasn't using it morning and night. I was just twice a day. I was using just once a day, and it was really, really good on my skin. And I had a friend at that time that was also using Caro white lotion. At first she was really, really darker than I am as at that time, but after like a month, as she became very, very white, and we were using the same lotion. I didn't know that she was mixing it with tube, gel, and oil until I found out that she was mixing it. I was like, oh no. So that is it for Caro white. Caro white is not a bad product. It's not a bad product actually. It's one of the products that majority of people use in promising their lotion, like their whitening lotions, and they end up adding in some preventive measures in order for the lotion not to give you stretch mark or green veins. But if you don't know how to promise lotion, you don't know much about promising, you don't know much about ingredients, I will advise you don't promise Caro white. As I have said, getting a very fair skin or a fairer skin or a whitening skin is not a day job. Okay, you have to be very, very careful. Use a very good product. Be patient. That's one thing you must know. You have to be patient. It's a gradual process. Before you know it, you've already achieve what you want to achieve. So Caro white lotion is not bad. I will advise, instead of you using white secret lotion, I will advise you use Caro white lotion if you are looking for a very cheap, affordable whitening lotion. Caro white will do that for you, and it will work gradually on your skin. Okay, so and if you are using Caro white lotion, try to get a sunscreen. Very, very important. Not only using Caro white lotion, if you are using any lotion, you have to use sunscreen. It's very, very important. Okay, it will help your skin from having sunburn and the rest of it all. Try to get a sunscreen. After applying your lotion, you can use your sunscreen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please do not forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me what you know about these two lotions, and tell me how you were using it. Tell me how you are using it at the moment, and if there's any other thing you guys want me to do video of, or if there's any other product you guys want me to do review of, just leave a comment down below. Okay, so I'll try as much as I can to see what I can do. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Mwah.